Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu reports, my father died and he owed a Jew 30 wasaqs, 7200 kilogram. Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu requested for respite, but he refused to give respite. Hazrat Jabir requested the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam to intervene. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam went there and negotiated with the Jew to take the fruit of the garden in exchange for his debt, but he refused. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam entered the garden and walked around, then asked Hazrat Jabir to pick the dates. So he, after the departure of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, picked the dates and paid him off complete 3 wasaq of dates, and 17 wasaqs of dates were left. When Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu went to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam to intimate him of the fact, he found him performing the Asr prayer. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam got free, he told him about the leftover dates. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, inform Umar of it too. When Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu went to Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu and told him, he said to him, I knew at the very time when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was walking around in it that it will be blessed. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2396.